Commands are instructions that a user gives to the computer to perform specific tasks. MATLAB commands are case sensitive. Let's say we want to launch the editor from the command window, but instead of lowercase, we enter edit in uppercase. MATLAB doesn't understand the instruction, so it suggests a command that is close to what we entered. In this case, the suggested command is appropriate, so I'll press enter to launch the command. MATLAB creates a new tab in the editor. Let's say we have some variables in the workspace. To remove all the variables, enter clear. If you want to remove only selected variables, type clear, leave a space, then enter the variables you want to remove. In this case, x space y. CLC clears the command window. If you want a hint on how to use any command, use the help statement. For instance, to get information about the log function, I will enter help, leave a space, then enter log. By this we know that log of x computes the natural logarithm of the elements of x. The help results also shows you similar functions which you might refer to. For a more detailed explanation of the functions, click here. That launches the documentation of log function. This documentation is quite detailed and examples are included. In the documentation window, you can directly search for documentation of any function in MATLAB. For instance, in the search box, I'll look for sine. The first result here is appropriate, so I'll click to open it. By scrolling down, you can see a lot of things that can be done with this function. At the bottom of the results page, there is a See Also section. These are commands related to the sine function. So let's see what's up with sine d function. This documentation shows that sin d computes the sine of the element x in degrees. In comparison with the sine function we did previously, it is obvious that sine computes the sine of a number in radians. When you end a statement with ellipses, it means you want to continue the expression on the next line. Note, however, that a space must be left between the last character and the ellipses. In MATLAB, the percentage sign implies that the following text or expressions are comments. Thus, MATLAB operational rules are relaxed and the expression is not evaluated. The apostrophe is used to denote characters in MATLAB. Colon operator is used to define a MATLAB array. As shown in this example, MATLAB creates a variable d, comprising an array of numbers between 1 and 10. I can rewrite the above expression to create an array of numbers between 1 and 10 with intervals of 3 as follows. If a semicolon is introduced at the end of an expression, the result of the operation is suppressed. You can view the expression by launching the variable name. Comma is used to define elements in a row vector. Semicolon, on the other hand, is used to create elements in a column vector. If you want to abort a running command, use Ctrl+C. To demonstrate this, I'll enter loop for inverse. While the results are displayed, I'll use Ctrl+C to force stop the output.